In just about every conversation about computing systems, someone's going to bring up the term high availability. But what exactly does the term high availability mean? Well, to understand high availability, we first have to define availability itself. When we say that an application is available, we simply mean that the application and the systems that it uses are accessible by users. That's it. It's pretty simple stuff. Availability is measured as a percentage of availability over a specific period of time, but there really isn't an explicit definition of what constitutes high availability. In a general sense, high availability means that an application and its systems are accessible most of the time, usually in the high 90 percentile over any given period. So what exactly are the things that can impact availability? Well, it's a pretty long list actually, but some of the more common causes for availability issues are a network outage, an application failure caused by code defects or maybe configuration issues with the application, a system outage, like maybe an outage of a virtual machine that's hosting an application, a power outage, obviously, can cause availability problems, and a problem with one or more reliant systems, such as a database that an application uses. Cloud providers provide a service level agreement, or an SLA, for cloud services, and an SLA specifies the availability percentage of a service, and the cloud provider guarantees that that service will meet that SLA. If it doesn't meet that SLA for a reason that is within the control of the cloud provider, customers are usually entitled to some level of refund for that service. Now, we'll talk more about SLAs in Lesson 17, but for now, let's move on to some other cloud concepts, specifically scaling and elasticity.